believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Show it to you now. Here, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery link right here, and also the contact details that you have, also this link, or maybe some information about your services that you want to add, also here in this link, and also about your company. You can add it here. Yeah, if this website would be good for you or helpful, do me a favor and hit a reply or let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Ryder. Yeah, thank you. Talk to you soon.